Greetings, Summer Hour Middle School. This is Mickey Stanfield, local school technology coordinator, and I want to talk to you today about Safari Montage Desktop Capture. This is software that is built in as part of our image, and this is great recording software, but you've got to do a little bit of setup for it. So first of all, let me dismiss that. So the first thing I want to do is notice somewhere on your desktop you should have Safari Montage Lecture Capture. You're going to double click that to start Safari Montage Lecture Capture software. And it's going to spin for just a second and boom! There it is. Do you see it? No, you don't see it. But it's there. It's running. What I'm going to do, and you can skip this step if you want, but to make sure I can always open it easily, I'm going to drag it up here onto my taskbar, put it between iTunes and my text editor so that I can run it from there and I don't have to mess with this because I like to have my icons not showing. So what I'm going to do now is come over here to the right side of your taskbar, and your taskbar is probably on the bottom of your screen. That's where Windows puts it. I move mine to the top because I think it's a lot easier to use. I like it better up there. All right, so now that I've opened Safari Montage, when I come over here to the drop down, I should see Lecture Capture is running right here. It looks the same. The icon's the same, except it's not colorful. This one's colorful. This one's just blue. All right, so if I click this right now, it's going to try to start a capture. I want you to see what your options are, though. If you right-click this, you can do start, you can do stop, you can do log in, you can log out, reset, settings, etc. So we're not going to mess with the settings. It's set for 2 hours, and it'll let you maximum 2-hour recording, and it'll let you choose your headphones or microphone, whatever you're recording with there. All right, but what we need to do is log in this first time. So let's log in. And wait a minute. I need a host name. Actually, there's a couple things that you need here. You need a host name and you need a token. So let's go ahead and type in the host name. And the host name is LC, which is short for Lecture Capture, dot Safari, because it's part of the Safari Montage program, dot, the rest of this should sound familiar, Gwinnett.k12.ga.us. Anybody remember hearing that somewhere before? All right, so lc.safari.gwinnett.k12.ga.us. That's your host server, so hit OK. And now it's going to ask me for a token. I don't have a token. Where do I get a token? Well, I'm going to get my token out of Safari because this is a Safari program. So I'm going to leave this enter token right here on my screen. I'm going to go into my web browser, go to my portal, choose a grade level, hit go, and now I'm going to click on Safari Montage. Now what I need to get into the preferences, and the easiest way to do that is to click the search button because that's going to change my view. So I'm going to type search like I'm searching in Safari, but I'm not going to search. I'm going to go to my preferences. This is my token, and you can see that my token expired November 26th of 2019. I need a new one. So I'm going to generate a new token. The word expired is gone. This is good. So I'm going to select this token. Don't get any extra spaces in the front or the back. And I'm going to right click and copy. All right. So this token will be good till December 24th. So when I come back after Christmas break, I'm going to have to regenerate my token. Keep that in mind. All right. So let's hide this. Let's paste that token in here. Right click and paste. I'm going to click at the end, make sure there's no extra spaces at the end. I'm going to go ahead and click in the beginning, make sure, nope, no extra spaces there. We are good. Looks like I got a clean token. I'm going to hit OK. Oh, my token's not valid. I wonder what's going on there. Let me try again. Let's generate a new token. Let's select the new token. Let's copy the new token. Let's see if it'll let me come in here. All right, so I'm going to have to go back to start the process. Interesting. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose. Oh, wait. I am logged in. All right, let's do this. I'm going to exit. Interesting. Gotten some issues here. So let's restart the software. All right. And where's my lecture capture? Did not pop back up. That's not good. All right, folks. I'm using Windows. As you may well know, you got to shut down Windows often if you want it to run right. So I'm having an issue. I'm going to reboot, and I will be right back. All right, folks, it's Microsoft Windows. A reboot fixes everything. So I rebooted my computer. I started the lecture capture software just like I showed in the last video. It did do something different this time. It took a minute and it spun. It said configuring lecture capture. But other than that, I right-clicked up in the upper right, came down, retyped that lc.safari.gwinnett, and I pasted my token this time, and it worked perfectly. So now you're seeing the next option, which is, do you want lecture capture or desktop capture? I believe that you only have the lecture capture option if you have a camera in your room. That's for the folks that have a camera in your room. You've been set up, and we will talk later. The rest of us, though, everybody's got desktop capture. So let's use the desktop capture software, and let's take a look at what it looks like. To start my recording, now that I am logged in successfully, I'm going to go here to the taskbar. Again, yours is probably on the bottom of your screen. I like mine at the top, so I moved it. All right, and you're going to click on that icon. You see the red light turn on? It is recording. In fact, I got a little message here in the bottom right. It says the recording has started, and now I am recording a desktop capture. I can just keep going and talk. Unfortunately, I have to talk for about a minute because I cannot stop this video until it has gone 1 minute. So I should be able to stop it now since it's been a minute. So I'm going to click this button. And I just stopped my recording. And you'll notice the little icon down here says uploading file to Safari Montage. Please wait. And at this point, it's just a waiting game. It is going to upload my file to Safari Montage so I can put it in directly into my e-class from Safari Montage. Ah, there we go. Now it's storing the file. And the file has been stored successfully. It is ready to go, and you can now go get it. So let's take a look at how we go get that file. So where is my file that I just recorded? So I popped up the Safari Montage. You probably followed along. You saw me search, and it's not there. Here's something I uploaded earlier. So I started digging around a little bit, and I discovered that it is actually recorded and saved on my computer in my documents. So I will open it up here. So here we are. I've opened up my documents, or I've opened up the Network Explorer, and I'm at my home. I want to switch from home to documents. Go to my documents and go to Safari Montage. There's the video. That icon. You see the red light turn on? It is recording. In fact, I got a little message here in the bottom right. All right, so there's the video I've recorded. So now I can close that. That's the video I can upload to eClass. I would upload it to Safari first, but there's another video somewhere else on that. So I hope this helps. This is how you can use desktop capture. Until next time.